Run Marvel Rivals as administrator. 1. Right-click marvelrivals.exe or its desktop shortcut. 2. Select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab. 3. Check Run this program as administrator. 4. Also check Disable full screen optimizations. 5. Click Apply, then OK. 2. Force DirectX 11 fix for DX12 crashes. 1. Open Steam library. 2. Right-click Marvel Rivals, Properties. 3. In Launch Options, paste NaxDX11 4, close and relaunch the game. 3. Verify game files, Steam repair. 1. Go to Steam library. 2. Right-click Marvel Rivals, Properties. 3. Navigate to installed files. 4. Click Verify integrity of game files. 5. Wait for the scan to complete, then relaunch. 4. Update or reinstall graphics drivers. NVIDIA, nvidia.com/download/download/download amd.amd.com, amd.com/support. Optional but powerful. Use DDU, display driver uninstaller, to clean install GPU drivers. Insolve, repair Visual C++ and DirectX 1. Download and install Visual C++ redistributables 2 /learn.microsoft.com/ena/cpp no/supported VC Redist. DirectX and runtime web installer microsoft.com/download/details.sp85. 2. Restart your PC after installation. 6. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off or close Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce overlay, MSI Afterburner, lag, Xbox Game Bar. These cause critical error crashes in Unreal Engine games. 7. Temporarily disable antivirus firewall. Some antivirus programs block game files or connections. 1. Temporarily disable antivirus. 2. Add marvelrivals.exe to exclusion allows list. 3. Re-enable antivirus after testing. Lower resolution via config file. If game won't open, do this. 1. Navigate to C, users your name, app data local, Marvel Rivals, saved, config, Windows client. 2. Open game user settings.ini. 3. Change these values manually. BUSV sync equals false, resolution size x equals 1280, resolution size y equals 720, full screen mode equal 1. 4. Save file and launch game. 9. Reinstall the game last resort. 1. Uninstall Marvel Rivals from Steam. 2. Restart your PC. 3. Install to a different drive if possible. 4. Launch with admin rights. 10. Check crash logs for custom fixes. Go to C users your name, app data, locals, Marvel Rivals, saved logs. Open the latest .log or .crash file in Notepad. Look for crash cause like DX12 error, access violation, or UE4 fatal. Send that here if you want a custom fix. Bonus, fix UE4 safe launch mode if the game uses Unreal Engine 4. 1. Add this to Steam launch options. Use all available cores -D3D11 -no CF DevTools -no thread timeout. Let me know if you want a one-click fix